It's a strange private theater we build inside ourselves. The mind, in an attempt to protect us, often rehearses what the heart most deeply fears. It plays out scenarios on a loop, convinced that if it can just anticipate every possible negative outcome, it can somehow control the future. This internal director runs the same scene over and over. The difficult conversation, the dreaded news, the moment of failure. Each time, the script is the same, the ending just as painful. We become both the actor and the audience, trapped in a performance of our own anxieties. It's a well-worn path in our neural circuitry, a groove deepened with every repetition, a familiar yet draining cycle. This constant mental rehearsal of difficult conversations, future worries, and imagined negative outcomes comes at a significant cost. It doesn't just drain our peace, it actively steals our energy and our presence. While our minds are busy in the future, scripting tragedies that may never happen, the present moment slips by, unnoticed and unlived. The body keeps the score of this silent battle. A tightness in the chest, a knot in the stomach, tension that settles deep in our shoulders. We are physically carrying the weight of events that exist only in our imagination. This is the heavy price of living in a story of what if, instead of the reality of what is. Each repeated rehearsal weakens our foundation of calm. It erodes our ability to respond to life with clarity and resilience. Instead of being grounded in the present, we become reactive, triggered by the ghosts of our own mental projections. But awareness is the first step toward freedom. The simple act of noticing, there is that story again, creates a space between you and the thought. In that space, you find your power. You realize you are not the storm, but the sky that holds it. You are the observer, the still point in the turning world of your mind. This recognition is the beginning of reclaiming your inner peace. You don't have to dismantle the entire theater at once. Just choose to release one repeated mental scene today. Acknowledge the fear it represents. Thank your mind for trying to protect you, and then consciously let it go. Visualize the scene dissolving, like smoke in the air. Turn your attention to the feeling of your breath, the warmth of the sun on your skin, the simple, tangible reality of this moment. By letting go of one story, you create space for something new to enter. Quiet, presence, and the gentle, unspoken truth that you are safe, right here, right now.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.